Former President of Amuko Fairojam Nando Luwang has questioned whether the government's plan to organize this year's edition of Sangai festival in a high-profile manner amid the ongoing crisis is the correct step. He also questioned whether the people in the state should remain silent on the proposed plan of NSC and IM leader Tuigaling Muivah'S visit to his hometown Somdal in Manipur, alleging that the outfit still intends to disintegrate the territorial integrity of Manipur. He was delivering presidential address at the oath-taking ceremony of the new office bearers of Amuko for the term 2025-27 at its Kwakatil office today. Speaking further, Nando Luwang noted that the proposed visit of Tuigaling Muivah at his hometown in Somdal on October 22 raises a question regarding the true purpose of his visit. He also reminded that Amuko was an organization which took key role in the public rally taken out to stand firm against the threat posed by the ceasefire agreement between NSC and IM and Government of India in 1997 to the territorial integrity of the state. Continuing that Tuigaling Muivah is still holding the post of General Secretary of NSC and IM and the outfit is still challenging the territorial integrity of Manipur, Nando stated that people must remember the June 18 incident of 2001 where many lives were lost in the people's uprising against the ceasefire agreement. The former president of Amuko went on to criticize that government for planning to organize this year's Sangai festival in a grand manner just to manifest that normalcy has returned to the state.
Ministry of Home Affairs was from the Tomova, the Gaway. Nagado Concerto, Yapishing from the Suya, Yapun aesthetic of the Suya. Upon Tambo, Tamogana, Tunda Mayami, Concerto of the Widow, Tambo, Habiba, Wakamston, he has a kind of one with the privacy. The liquidity of which is one order from Home or Yapun, the section of Tamba, Matokta, from the